Hey everybody. All right, something different for you guys today. I have a special treat. We have a very cool process that I want to introduce you guys to. It's dry ice blasting. And what it's going to do is help to clean up some of this. I know some people are accustomed to taking everything apart and getting it maybe burned and blasted. This is an alternate process that would not necessarily require you to remove everything from your engine bay. It's located very close to our Garland facility, so I want to share some of that. I'll leave the business name and contact information in the actual link below, but I just want to capture some video and pictures of the before process. This car is originally out of Boston. It's super low mileage, so I couldn't help but grab it. It shifts beautifully, less than 70K on it. I think it's still at 60 or so. Car runs like a dream, just has that Boston finish on it. So let's see what it turns out to be when we're all done. All right, so moment of truth. We actually are about to go check out the car and see how this thing came out. They said it's ready. I'm super excited. Can't wait to see what the changes are. Let's see. Okay, all I gotta say is this is amazing. Do you guys remember what the actual stickers look like? I mean, the way the engine bay has transformed is absolutely remarkable. Now, mind you, I had some deep rust on some of the fasteners and hardware, so this dry ice process doesn't eliminate rust. It's not like a bead blast, but it does get a lot of the grime and other things off. So this process has blown my mind. It is shocking. Look at this braided line. Just incredible what it was able to remove from that. So we're gonna go ahead and for some of the metal pieces, we're gonna remove them and powder coat them. We are absolutely ecstatic about everything else and how it came out. All the electrical wires and everything, the rubber hoses, they all look pretty. They all look fairly new again. Some other things I want to highlight is how he was able to come over and redo the cowling. Look at that. You guys know how that stuff tends to fade, and it looks pretty beautiful. These caps on the mirrors here, as well as all of the rubber here, all of that's been restored and looks beautiful. From a restoration standpoint, these guys nail it. all of that, the aluminum pieces up there, all cleaned up and all done. You guys know how the back of these cars get. The UV damage that happens on this section. Just look at it now. There's no special coating or anything on it. This is the finish after it's done. Quite fantastic. And as a bonus, he went ahead and took care of the wheels, and we think that these are just fantastic looking. So we're really thrilled and grateful. And I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that we highlight all of what, man, I'm just looking at the wires. Look at those wires. Look how the box came out. Shocking. Absolutely shocking. Look at that. All right, so anyway, we're gonna go ahead and make sure we link in the bottom all the details on how you can reach these guys. They're located in Garland, Texas, pretty much Dallas, Texas, right next to IMR. These are going to be some of our partners. We're going to be offering this service on any car that wants to grab it. So hit us up and ask for details.